It's medicinal, right? It's for my anxiety, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so what's the problem? I've never done this before.
Neither have I. What are you trying to imply?
I'm not implying anything.
Just act cool. Okay. Got the bucks?
Yeah, how much is it?
500.
I thought it was 350.
I thought you hadn't done this before. Okay, you won't regret it. Grown on the Waitakere Ranges.
You told me the Blue Mountains. So how'd you go? Where's the money?
To leave it in the mailbox. Gangs are taking social distancing really serious. See? I'm going to check it out now. Shit.
Oh, shit.
They missed.
It's out there on the road.
Well, you should go and get it.
No. It's the cops.
This yours?
Nah, officer, I haven't really seen it before. I don't really use single-use bags anymore, not good for the environment.
It's very bad for the environment.
Well, I'll be keeping it then. Go on. Head off, you're loitering.
Come on.